Thank you for watching and hope you will learn something new throughout this video. Before we start, click on button subscribe to help us produce more video like this in future. For this session, we will explain and discuss about Introduction to Engineering Materials. Today we will start with definition of engineering materials. Before we go deep into the definition, see this picture, and what is your thought about similarities and differences of this picture? The similarities is content inside the packaging, all fill with Coca-Cola drinking water. The differences is packaging or materials used to pack the Coca-Cola. From the picture we can see three differences material use. First is glass, second is aluminium, and the third is plastic. Which one is the best materials to be used for packing Coca-Cola? Can anyone answer? Which one is the best for Coca-Cola packaging? First of all, we need to know the properties or materials that we want to pack. Coca-Cola drinking water is most likely to be acidic because it can remove rust, grease, clean toilet, remove strain from carpet, and etc. So, from this properties, the suitable materials uses glass because glass did not react with acids compare with aluminium and plastic. Acidic properties reach with plastic can trigger cancer for human. After you understand the similarities and differences, now we can move to definition of material science and material engineering. Material sciences teaches us what things are made of and why they behave as they do. Materials engineering show us how to apply knowledge to a things better. Definition of material sciences involve investigating the relationships that exist between the structures and properties of materials. Materials engineering is on the basic structure-property correlations, designing or engineering the structure of a material to produce a predetermined set of properties and performance. Now we try to look the differences between materials scientist and materials engineer. Materials scientists study the connections between the synthesis and processing of a material, its underlying structure, and its resulting properties. Materials engineers develop materials and manufacturing techniques and integrate these materials into commercial products. After you understand the differences between materials scientist and materials engineer, let's look at classification of materials. Classification of materials consists of four, which is metal, ceramics, polymers, and composites. Metals is metallic materials are normally combination of metallic elements. There have large number of non-localized electrons, that is, these electrons are not bound to particular atoms. Many properties of metal are directly attributable to these electrons. Metal are extremely good conductors of electricity and heat and are not transparent to visible light. Furthermore, metal are quite strong, yet deformable, which account for their extensive use in structural applications. Ceramic are compound of metallic and non-metallic elements. They are most frequently oxides, nitrides, and carbides. The wide range of materials that fall within this classification includes ceramic that are composed of clay minerals, cement, and glass. These materials are typically insulative to the passage of electricity and heat and are more resistant to high temperatures and harsh environment than metal and polymers. With regards to mechanical behavior, ceramics are hard but very brittle. Polymers include the familiar plastic and rubber materials. Many of them are organic compounds that are chemically based on carbon, hydrogen, and other non-metallic element. Furthermore, they have very large molecular structures. These materials typically have low densities and may be extremely flexible. Composite materials are materials made from two or more constituent materials with significantly different physical or chemical properties that, when combined, produce a material with characteristics different from the individual components. Fiberglass is a familiar example in which glass fiber are embedded within the polymeric material. A composite is designed to display a combination of the best characteristic of each component materials. Now you understand the definition of engineering materials. Next subtopic we will discuss structures and bonding materials. See you in the next video. Don't forget to likes, comments, shares, and subscribe.